Assalamu alaikum, welcome my friend. This product very important. Your car using scanner tool. Yes, the very beautiful, natural, and the very strong this product. So you surely normally used everybody every time. Wow, fantastic and modeled, showing fantastic modeled and sold modeled AD 310 classic Devant OBD II. Wow, fantastic. This product used everybody normally. Simply optioned, just changing bottom, used every day, every time, only simply matter. Wow, very important product. This product, the details description boxed by linked Amazon product. So buy now this product description box by linked Amazon and buy this product, and others information go to Amazon description box show linked and the details. I sure you very helpful this product used by now linked description box Amazon product very technical very solved about very natural and modern technology used this program setting fantastic to this stuff. Wow, automatic machine made this product smoothly using the everybody very beautiful. Wow, fantastic. Yes, of course this product very fantastic. Wow, yes. So girls, this product buy now description to boxed Amazon product. Wow, thank you everybody my channel view this video. Thanks, please subscribe my channel just the help and the future very interesting about normally useful different product review. Thank you everybody, welcome, goodbye, thanks everybody, thanks.